Here we are at Dodger Stadium. About an hour and a half early. Dodgers versus Diamondbacks. You guys want a signature?
Woo! Hey, you know what I'm talking about, right?
Ain't nothing better than a Dodger dog.
Yep.
What do you think about Dodger Stadium, Frank?
I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm LA. Dodgers LA. Go Dodgers.
It's not a McDonald's commercial. I'm loving it.
I'm loving it.
This is Dodger Stadium, like an hour before game time.
Oh yeah.
Batting practice.